Welcome to the poly demonstration of DC motor speed and direction controlling by using PIC microcontroller. So here we are going to provide the input to control the speed and direction of this particular PMDC motor from this push buttons. So one is a clockwise rotation, counterclockwise direction purpose, so and a speed up and speed down. So these four control buttons interface to the PIC 16F72 microcontroller. At these two are A0, A1, these two are B0, B1, and L293D, H, C6, C7, and C2 pin interface to the microcontroller. So the C2 pin is to control the speed of this DC motor by providing the PWM signal. So the PWM signal nothing but, so when you want to increase the DC motor speed, then we need to increase the on time. Decreasing purpose, the on time should be decreased, parallelly off time will be increased. So based on the controlling of this on time off time, nothing but duty cycle, we are going to regulate the speed of this DC motor. So here we are using L293D motor driver. So the main purpose of this driver is, so it has a inbuilt H bridge along with enable pin. So the H bridge is to control the DC motor direction. So means if you want to change the direction of the DC motor, then we need to change the polarity of the DC motor. So in order to change the polarity, we need to construct H bridge circuits. So L293D IC come with two H bridge circuits, means we can control the two DC motors. So in our project, we are going to control the one DC motor along with speed controlling purpose. So you can see that these two pins to control the direction, and this one pin is to control the speed of the DC motor. So this DC motor will get power supply from this 9 volts battery and 5 volts power supply for the L293D motor driver IC. So let us see the demonstration. So first of all, connect the battery. After execution, don't forget to disconnect the battery, otherwise the battery will drain unnecessarily. So now on the power supply. Right. So this adapter has the inbuilt RPS, regulated power supply, so which will take 230 volts AC input and provide us the 5 volts DC constant power supply outputs. So we need to assign the direction along with the speed increment. So as we can see that the LED blinks. So whenever the LED blinking is stops, so that is a maximum speed now, right? So when we keep on pressing also, there is no LED blinking over here. So means it reaches the maximum speed. So come into the decrement also, same thing, and direction change. So it's a clockwise, counterclockwise. Decrement also come into the least one, right? And increment. So it will take some time. Why? Because we need to provide the minimum current to start rotation of the DC motor. Right, and this one is the reset switch to restart the microcontroller. So it only reset the controller, it won't erase the program which you have loaded inside the microcontroller. So on this motherboard there are three major components. One is the crystal oscillator to provide the clock pulse input to the microcontroller, and the microcontroller which will taking care of inputs and controlling the outputs, and reset switch to restart the microcontroller. And this one is the power status LED indication, and this one is to present the program status like increment and decrement one. Thank you.